Alright, what's going on YouTube? So today pretty much this video is going to be a full exhaust video. So I'm going to give you guys some flybys, some revs, accelerations, a couple POV in the car driving, so you guys can just get a feel for how the car sounds. It is fully straight piped from the turbo back, so I have a catalyst downpipe and then no muffler or resonator all the way out to the tips. So let's go ahead and get started with the video, guys. Highway speeds almost 61 miles per hour. Can't really hear the car, so it doesn't really drone too much, especially with music on. You guys aren't really gonna hear it. The windows down, it's not too much louder either, especially being on the highway. But enough with that, we'll get those burbles are pretty aggressive.